When I was in high school, people looking at me, they thought that I had it all. I played on 3 varsity sports. I was towards the top of my class academically. But growing up, my father struggled with mental illness and addiction that really impacted me and my family. 16 Strong Project represents what it means for each individual person to be able to get through the hours of the day that they're awake, no matter what challenges or situations they're facing. We are an organization dedicated to empowering resilience to adverse childhood experiences, also known as ACEs. My mom is a co-founder of the 16 Strong Project, and I definitely could not have done this without her. They face people that are not able to understand what they're going
Right,
through.
and they're scared that somebody won't care.
Right. She's someone who was always there for me, even though she was also going through it. She stayed grounded for myself and my brother, and so that's what really helped me get through it. Not all kids have that. We're really trying to help kids understand that they can break the cycle of trauma in their lives. We provide coping kits that we use as a complement to our educational resources and our programming, including information packets, flyers, posters, and pamphlets. Our peer-to-peer model also allows us to adapt to the different challenges that are experienced in different places throughout the country. And they're like, wow, that person's just like me. They're the same age as me. They're in the same class as me. We believe every single person deserves to be heard, listened to, understood. We're here to really help uplift youth voices.